don't tell anybody. But we bought a house. Yeah.
Jake Palmer with Remac. I'm going to give you a quick tour of the property.
So a number of years ago, our friend Jake Palmer, who's also a real estate agent, was showing a particular house at Ragged Point. Now, at the time, we still had our cottage and we still had our house, so we were in no position to buy. But we did want to take a look at this particular house because it was kind of in that area that we really wanted to be. A place that was close to our kids' school, a place that was close to my parents, and a place that was close to nature. There was water all around and trees all around.
One of the great things about this is, there's just 3 or 4 homes on this little cove, and so it's a very private little cove.
So we watched Jake's real estate video, and we then actually went to take a look at the house in person. And it was a sweet little spot. And of course, the property was absolutely gorgeous, but it was just not in our reality at the time. Because again, we still had the cottage at Memory Lane, we still had the house at Accomack, and we just were not in the position to have a third mortgage. So we left it. We decided, you know what, at least we know the general area that we want to be in at some point, but this is not the right time. But that was a number of years ago, and now it is the right time. It's the right time because we only have our house in Accomack, and we believe that we can sell Accomack relatively quickly. We believe that because this part of the west side is an up-and-coming area, and people seem to want to live here. So close to nature, close to the marina. There's so many different reasons why this is a great place to live in Accomack. So we decided it was time for us to make a purchase, and we did. This is the house. This is River Cove Lane, and my wife and I bought it. We are in love. I personally have this dream of having my sailboat anchored right in the front of the house, and it's amazing. We're gonna start by actually taking that roof completely off next week. We're taking all the walls out, so most of my friends and family don't even know that we bought a new house. And so yeah, anyway, I'm gonna do a Facebook Live and let my world know what we're about to do. We are filming live from River Cove Lane, and right behind me is the new house that we just bought. It's a beautiful house. Anyway, I want to take you all for a little walkthrough tour of this new place. What we're going to be doing is putting a door right here. That's going to go to a real sweet deck. That's going to wrap around so we can enjoy this incredible beach down here. It's going to take a number of months for us to be able to do this. And I've got Perry Holmes. Josh Perry is going to rock it with me. So check this out. This roof is 7.5 feet. So one of the first things that we're gonna do is literally raise the roof. We're gonna raise the roof really soon. I understand it's November, strange time to take a roof off, but in a couple days, we're gonna be able to see right up to the sky here, and we're gonna put cathedral trusses in. We're gonna be doing some Facebook Live posts as we do this project between now and March. Mid-March, we hope to move in. Cheers. So it's pretty rad, like 25 comments, 82 views. It's a really fun way to keep people up to date with what you're doing. We're so excited as a family to jump into this next adventure. We're just going on faith that we're able to sell Accomack really soon so we can just have one singular mortgage to deal with. One little mortgage that can help us raise the roof, do a little bit of renovations, and start our new life at Ragged Point.